Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. Today we will be looking at the question about finding the degree of a polynomial from the following equations. We've been given 4 parts. Let's start off with part A. Part A states x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 4. So how do we find out the degree of a polynomial? There's 2 ways. The first, more tedious method to solve this is to basically expand this out. X minus Now that we have this equation, the only thing we have to look at is the highest degree of our equation or function. In this case, the highest degree is 2. Therefore, our answer would be 2. The degree of our polynomial would be 2. Is 2. Now let's take a look at part B. Part B states, part B is exactly the same as part A, but now let's do it without expanding. This is a much more simpler and efficient method to solve this. We just look at the highest terms of both, the highest degrees of both these terms, which in this case is 1 here and a 1 here, and we just add them up. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and this is the same answer as this, but it's a much easier and simpler method. And let's try the same method out in part C. So the highest degree in this term, in the first term, is 2 for part C, and in the second term the highest degree is 3. So we can just add them up. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So that's the degree of our polynomial. Okay, now last but not least, let's take a look at part D. Part D looks long and complicated, but we have a really easy method to solve this. So when we have x plus 4 whole squared, whenever we have a bracket outside, that means we look at the highest power inside of a term, which is 1 here, and we multiply that with the power outside in the brackets. In this case, 1 times 2 is 2, which is for this term. And we have 1 here, and that's the same thing as the previous term, which will also give us a 2 here. And the highest power here is a 1. So that's why we can just add 2 plus 1, which gives us 5. Therefore, the degree of our polynomial is 5. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.